How you doing, everyone? Welcome back to the channel. If you're new to the channel, my name is Mo, and today we're going to be installing dish light brackets on the Sequoias and Tundras. All right, so all you need is a 12mm and of course your dish light brackets. I already installed the passenger side and this is the driver side, so I'm going to show y'all how to do it. It's pretty easy. It's not hard at all. It just take a little bit tweaking, but I will have a link in the description for these. Of course, you got these cheap Amazon ones. I want to take a risk on them and see how they fit. We're gonna install on these Amazon ones and see how they fit. All right, first thing you want to do is you want to take the top one off. So after you take the 12mm nut, what you want to do is come around and put it in from the bottom. Of course, you got to put it at an angle, so we're going to do it one bolt at a time. We're going to put it at an angle. Then we're going to tighten this up. Ow. We're going to tighten this up so it won't move. Alright, as you can see, we took the top bolt off and then put the bracket at an angle. The reason we do that is so we can take this one off and then slide the bracket back into this place, and then it'll bolt up so the hood won't shift or move or anything like that. That's the easiest way to do it. All right, let me go ahead and take this bolt out and then I'll show y'all how to slide it. So we are gonna take this bottom nut off. Just make sure this one is tight. So now this one's off. I'm gonna go ahead and slide it like that. Make sure you tighten all these bolts. All right, once you get both of them are in, you know, everything is good. So this is how the clearance is on there. Fits pretty good. You know, you got plenty of room to have your light and everything. And actually, these are meant for a Tacoma. These are not meant for a Sequoia, but they actually fit perfectly. Unlike the Ragu fabrication where you had to trim. As you can see, everything fits, no rubbing, no anything. Same with this side. They look pretty good and they're low profile. You can't really see them. They're not very noticeable, but yeah. If y'all like this video, go ahead and like, comment, and subscribe. I'll have more videos coming up. The reason we're not putting dish lights on is because I still got a couple things I have to do under the hood to be able to mount all the lights that I want to mount. But yeah, if you like this video, go ahead and like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll have more videos coming up.